I hope we don't lose it. So buy only from DJI, the official store. We have a box. We're gonna do the box unboxing. So we ordered an additional thing for our gear set, our vlogging gear set, something that we've been wanting to get for a while and haven't had the time to save up for.
Kasi nga dami naman nawawala.
Because we tested a few of these.
Pero yung mumurahin lang.
Yeah.
Like, Lazada.
Well, actually, you know, it's why we're trying to keep it in suspense. We're just gonna open the box. So we know what we're talking about. The reason also, this is a 2-in-1 vlog. One purpose is because it says here, no video upon unboxing, no refund. So that's good. It's protect the buyer and the seller. So it's well sealed. They sealed everything. So they make sure that you didn't tamper with it and then claim that it's broken so you can get a refund. So here we go. Unbox. Okay. We have it in the box. And then now we're going to, as you can see, fully sealed, untampered. We didn't do it. Here is presented. It's a DJI Mini SE drone that comes with a free memory card. This came from DJI official store, DJI Philippines. So you know that you won't have any issues if you need to claim warranty or whatever because it came from the official store. So bought this on Shopee. Now you may be wondering, why did you buy it on Shopee? Why didn't you just go to the physical store? Well, because sayang yung credit card points. Here we have the DJI Mini SE drone. Why did we buy this drone?
Kasi nawala namin yung 3 drones.
Basta we bought a bunch of cheap
Yeah,
ones.
and we tried it nung pandemic.
We lost them.
Actually, we tried it nung pandemic kasi we thought na mas konti yung tao and mas madali para sa amin, dalawa ang sa sasakyan. Then nawala namin yung first drone. Ano nangyari doon?
We tested it in, so we stayed in a place.
Sa Tagaytay, somewhere sa Tagaytay.
And then we tested it. It worked for a while. We tested it in the house. It worked for a while, but then when it gets too high, it's supposed to be connected to your phone via Wi-Fi. It gets disconnected. And
yeah, pero kasi naman, yun ang binili naman namin yun for testing
practice.
lang talaga.
Well, we wanted to learn how to fly, but we're not successful because it didn't stay connected long enough for us
pero
to do
I think okay naman yung flying, pero ang naging problema is yung connection ng
the controller.
Yeah,
the controller
and yung mismo drone niya.
So we lost. We never recovered the drone.
Tagal na namin gustong bumili. Nung nag-Siargao pa lang kami, we're planning to buy.
Yeah, even before that na yata, we
Pero
were saying
inuna namin yung
GoPro
kasi nga nawalan kami ng
action
cam.
Plus we were scared that if we got, you know, a branded drone right
Tas
away.
nawala lang. And we don't know how to fly it.
So it would have been a bigger waste. But now, we're here with this. I think this is the entry level because I was looking at the website and they described this as the best beginner drone. I think that's a good way to describe what we are. It's cheaper than the Mavic series, I think. This was about, let's consult with the shop now. $24,990.
Almost 25,000. Yeah, 25,000.
Still not cheap.
Of course, binili namin to para ma-improve yung vlogs na.
Yeah, because we felt like there was a missing element in our stuff, which was drone shots. Without further ado, we will unbox
Open
this.
it na. Okay.
This, I don't know, it says it's ultra thin.
Careful.
Ultra thin, 249 grams. It's quite light. Look at the other side. So, how do we open this without destroying the box?
Here. I think this is it.
Okay,
Ano?
I'll hold it. You can do it.
Yan.
And inside it is you can grab it.
Tanan.
That's it. They put it in a nice little, it's a hard case.
Yeah. Katulad
Yeah, it's kind of like the
GoPro.
yeah, like the GoPro. So
And it's nicer kasi para pag nagta-travel
yeah, you just
talagang...
just put it in the thing and you go.
And I like the color. It's not black like the usual color.
Yeah, where's your QR
That's
code?
DJI's sorry.
Why is there a QR code?
I don't know.
So it comes with this, just do not eat it. Don't. This is the charger and the 2 extra batteries. So yeah, charging port and 2 extra batteries. We're gonna figure out how to use these. There you go. So this one is yeah, there you go. Controller, antenna. In this part, I think it opens up. It's supposed to, well, based on the picture.
It's a phone.
Here's a, yeah, it's like a phone plug, and then it has like a USB thing. So that's cool. Right there. Oh, it only has. Huh? What about Android? Disrespect. Oh, they use it to. Oh, okay, it switches sides. I know it doesn't. It doesn't switch sides. So we clearly have not used it. So we just
Don't know anything.
extra propellers. And there's the Android section, Type C section. Oh, that was the thing. It's a USB-C, so it has that in case you have a phone that uses USB-C. And then the Type C, so you can switch Android, Apple, and what have you.
Paano yung ginagamit?
So to charge I'm assuming it's to charge these. And one to charge your drone, you got extra joystick. 2 types of chargers. I'm assuming one is for here for the charging pack or the charging dock, I guess. Little compact.
Oh, there you are.
So cool. And that's it. And the last piece of tape. This is where the battery goes. In the butt. So you can actually, it looks like you can charge it directly while the battery is inside. So the memory card goes in here. How does it feel? Does it feel light too? This is with a battery already.
Yeah.
I feel like my phone weighs more than that. Or about the same.
Yeah, it's about the same.
Maybe your phone weighs more than that. I feel like your phone is heavy.
Yeah, it was heavy.
Yeah, so that's a comparison. Camera.
Ayan siya pag naka-fold. Sobrang liit lang. Ayan, super lightweight lang. It's nice na may memory card na.
Yeah, and thank you DJI Philippines for giving us this extra card. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, put the bell thing on.
And follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
Facebook.
page.